Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We are on level 2 of lesson 23 with collisions. So this one says program a sprite interaction. So now we're going to get to play. Here's a similar program, but it doesn't work yet. So when we press run, what happens? Okay, 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 okay. Let's see. Oh, no. All right, so we got to figure out what to do. Do this. Try out your plan from level 1 to program the giraffe to push the monkey off the screen. How do I get the giraffe to push the monkey off the screen? We're going to click on the black triangle, which means there's more information to share. It says drag out an if statement inside the draw loop. All right. Use an is touching block to detect when the giraffe is touching the monkey. All right. If giraffe is touching monkey. All right. Add a velocity x block inside the if statement and use it. Okay. And use it to have the monkey's velocity match the giraffe's velocity. Okay, so giraffe's velocity is 1. All right, we can do that. So let's recover from whatever glitch that was. Put everything back in place. So giraffe, monkey. All right. If the giraffe is touching the monkey, then we need to change the monkey's velocity to match the giraffe's velocity. So we're going to say monkey velocity, and the giraffe's velocity is 1, so we're going to say 1. Let's see if that worked. Hey, there we go. That wasn't that hard at all. All right, so with that, we're done with level 2. Easy, cheesy, lemon squeezy, and I will see you on level 3. Here we go.